Hey guys, so today I have my Sephora Play box for the month of May, and looks like me and Sephora are matching today, so let's get into what's in here. Okay, so here is our bag. Let's get into this. First product that I see in here is something I already know I like. So this is the Sol de Janeiro Coco Cabana cream. So this is like the more gel-like cream as opposed to the Bum Bum cream or Boom Boom cream, however you want to say it. So this cream to me smells like exactly like kettle corn. Like no doubt about it, it's just kettle corn. If you want to smell like kettle corn, then this is the lotion for you. I don't mind smelling like kettle corn. It's fine. I think it smells really good if you mix this one with the Boom Boom cream. That together smells delicious. So if you don't necessarily want to smell like kettle corn, then maybe try them out mixed and see what you think of that, because it smells wonderful. Alright, next thing in here is from It Cosmetics, and this is the Bye Bye Under Eye Cream. So I don't think I've tried the eye cream, but I have tried the moisturizer and I do really like that. So here's the little eye cream. It's definitely more of a deceiving package, but I will definitely have to try it out and see how I like it. Eye creams tend to last a very long time because you have to use so little. So it's always nice to get eye creams in these boxes because you get to try it out for a good amount of time. Next is the Alterna Caviar Anti-Aging Reconstructing Bond Repair Leave-In Heat Protection Spray. So I try not to use heat on my hair very much because I have very dry, breaky hair. So when I do, I will definitely make sure to use this because I need it. Next thing in here, oh, this is the sample. This is the Viktor and Rolf Magic Salty Flower perfume. Salty Flower sounds like a very odd name for a perfume to me, but okay. So it is definitely more floral. Like very floral. Oh, let's see the notes on this. It says the top note is salt flower accord, middle note is frangipani flower, and the base note is cashmeran. So I don't know what any of those things are, and I don't know, not my favorite. Very, very floral. Okay, next we have the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara. I also got this in my Ipsy bag, so Benefit must be just spurting these things out as samples, wanting people to buy it, huh? I do really like this mascara. I've had a sample of this before, and once I opened my Ipsy the other day, it just inspired me to use it more. I'm actually wearing it today, and I do really like it. It's very defining and volumizing and lengthening. I really like this mascara. I usually only stick to one coat though, because if I go in with two, I feel like it gets a little bit more clumpy. But I don't feel like you need two coats with this mascara. It's really, really nice, but I have a shit ton of these by now of samples. So Benefit, if you could just chill, that'd be great. Alright, and the last product I just wiped off my lip product for. This is the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in the shade Stepping Out. So this looks like more of like a brownie nude. This is one of my favorite liquid lipstick formulas, so I'm definitely excited to try this one out. I don't actually have this shade, so that's cool. So there it is on the lips. I think it looks really nice. Again, I really love this formula, so this is pretty cool. I don't think the lips go with the eyes very much, but whatever. And there's a swatch of it on my hand, so it's definitely like more of a brownie nude, but it does have a little bit of pink tones in there. I think with a different eye look, it would probably look really good. So that's all the products in my Sephora Play this month. So 2 products that I already have, the Bad Gal Bang Mascara and the Coco Cabana cream, but I do really like these, so it's not bad to get some duplicates. Fine with me. The Bond Repair Leave-In Heat Protectant Spray I will definitely use when I do use heat on my hair. One of the reasons I don't use heat is because I don't really have a good protection spray, so I'll definitely try this one out. The perfume sample, it's just too floral for me, I think, but if you like florals, it's not bad. It's not too rosy of a floral, which I really hate. So maybe once I've worn it a while, I'll change my mind, but first impressions, not my favorite. The IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye, I think I will definitely try out probably today. I really like trying out new eye creams, and I'm just on the hunt for that perfect moisturizing eye cream. I do have very dry under eyes, so hopefully this will work out. And then my favorite product from the box, I would definitely say with the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick. I love these, and I don't go through lip products very fast, so this will definitely last me a good amount of time. So yes, definitely my favorite product in the box. So I think I'm pretty happy with all of the things that I got in my Sephora Play this month. Definitely all things that I will use minus the perfume, but I think it was a pretty good month for Sephora Play, in my opinion, which is not always the case. So let me know what you got in your Sephora Play this month and how you're liking everything, and I will see you in my next video.